with roaring rapids. It's consistent whitewater, bus-sized holes, house-sized waves. It doesn't matter if it's raining, sunny, it's always good, always big, and always fun.
I had some high expectations. I'd heard from a lot of people that it was a really fun river, there was a lot of whitewater.
Lochsa in Salish means rough water, and we've got rapids like Grim Reaper, House Wave, Horsetail Falls, Picking Up the Pieces, Pipeline, Termination.
We were a little bit nervous about how scary it would be.
The guides, they really tried to give us the day we wanted.
They could just be like, do this, do that, but they actually like take the time to know your name.
Yeah. We had Kip, and he's a lot of fun. He really makes you feel like you're part of the team.
It's amazing how we can bring so many people together, and it really fosters a sense of community that I've never seen in single-day trips, and that's really cool.
It was 20 times better than anything I even imagined. It was probably one of the best things I've ever done, and I'd love to do it again.